Here are 5 tips and tricks that may help you shed off the unwanted, life-threatening fat. Number 1. More protein in vegetables. The best way to lose weight fast is to opt for low-carbohydrate diets. Fiber and protein make you full faster and boost your metabolism. On the other hand, carbs increase your insulin level, making you hungry. So instead of choosing a sweet fruit, you'd better grab a piece of low-fat meat. Number 2. Losing weight does not mean bland food. If you don't eat tasty food for a long time, your brain will turn against you, telling you that an ice cream or a piece of chocolate is what you really need and what would make you happy. To avoid this, you should eat from time to time forbidden foods and relax a little. This way, you will avoid losing control and interrupt or give up on your diet. Number 3. A strict schedule. Bad sleep and weight loss do not go hand in hand. Not getting enough sleep makes your body stressed, and we all know that stress leads to a change in metabolism, feeling hungry, tired, and even depressed. So make sure that you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Number 4. Stay away from liquid calories. You stick to your diet, but you do not know why you can't lose weight. Did you know that you can get hundreds of calories from sugar-sweetened tea, juice, soda, or from alcohol? These are liquid calories or empty calories because all they do is give you extra energy without any nutritional benefits. So if you really want to see some pounds disappear, stick to water in which you can add fresh lemon, orange, or mint for flavor, and unsweetened tea. Number 5. Always plan your meal for the next day. Not knowing what you will eat tomorrow will throw you into a grab-what-you-have panic when you start to feel hungry. Preparing a meal on the fly makes you highly likely to choose higher calorie, less nutritious food. So when you have lunch or dinner today, make a plan for tomorrow's meals. It's much easier if you do this when you are not hungry, and it gives you enough time to chop veggies ahead of time, take something out of the freezer to defrost, or do part of the cooking today. Here's a bonus tip: positive attitude. Weight loss takes time, and sometimes you might feel discouraged if the extra pounds do not go away as fast as you want. Some days are harder when you stick to a weight loss program, but the key is to stay positive and not give up. I truly think these steps are crucial in any weight loss plan, and will help you get through this process much easier. You can lose weight even faster and easier because of a powerful formula which consists of amazing vitamins and plants. Click the link in the description to check it out. I really see this as a life-changing formula. It's 100% natural with ingredients sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no chemical treatments. 100% effective, mixing ingredients in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact, and safe, processed under sterile, strict standards with regularly disinfected equipment. Every capsule is made right here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. These capsules are non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that they do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are non-habit forming. If you are tired of carrying all those extra pounds and live in fear that you might be a month away from a life-threatening disease, and if you're ready to go back and finally make a change and bring comfort, excitement, and happiness back into your life, go check it out. I can't wait to hear from you about your amazing results. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Weight Online video. Have a nice day.